A round of storms that we have seen move across our area, and we are not done with the severe weather just yet, and the flooding threat is just beginning in our region. I want to give you a look at some of the pictures that you have sent in, and you have sent in several more this morning, and we appreciate that. We're going to try to keep an eye on the Pix inbox, pix@wkrn.com. Once you send that to us, we definitely would need to send you a form back getting your permission to show that, and then we would love to share these. Now, these first two pictures that I want to show you are coming in from yesterday evening. Remember when Davis and Danielle, and kudos, thank you, Danielle, Chandler, who was also working late last night. We've had a lot of folks working through the night to help keep you all safe. This was the storm from yesterday evening in Sumner County near the Tennessee-Kentucky border. Justin Hiller sending this one in, and this was right near the state line, and this prompted a tornado warning in Simpson County. That was around 7 o'clock, right after we ended our 6 o'clock broadcast there. That was that storm there. Definitely had some very intense, what appeared to be some rotation on it. And then northern Sumner County, right after what we saw there in Simpson County. This is from Charles Johnston and the Gallatin Fire Department, and you can notice there the low-hanging cloud there, and I think we had a bit of rotation on that particular storm as well. Now from some that are from specifically this morning. This is from Highway Department, Toby Ellis there with Sumner County, and you'll notice here that we had some trees reported down in this area. We have a lot of flooded roadway reports too up in the Sumner County area also. I think it's important to mention that. This is North Mount Juliet. Austin Vilt sending this one in, and what you'll notice here is the low-hanging clouds that we have here over this particular area, as we had several severe storms that moved across this general region from the early morning hours. So that is certainly a decent storm, and we appreciate you sending that one in. Also, let's head over to some video that we have received. This is some video coming in from the overnight. This is from Siobhan Littlejohn over in the Nashville area, and you can notice the lightning just illuminating the storms that we saw in the early morning hours for us. These storms had a lot of electricity with them. When you've got temperatures that make it to the 80s like we did yesterday and plentiful moisture, you're going to see a very electric-like atmosphere. And then driving somewhere on the interstate, and you can certainly see more of the darker sky looking in that particular region. Right outside of our studio, our Peyton Kennedy, when she got here this morning, you can just notice the buckets of rain. And again, rain is going to be our biggest issue with the flooding potential in the coming days. And then from Robertson County, I believe this was from yesterday, from Stokey Barn News, Danny Taylor, and you can notice there a very large hailstone. So we've had the reports of hail here across our region. You can notice the reports here certainly very significant. We've had some flash flooding issues in a couple of areas also that are worth noting, and notice even some lightning strikes in this area. Tornado reports out in portions of western Kentucky. The Weather Service will be surveying any storm damage for possible tornadoes in our area in the coming days, but we've got a long duration weather event that is just getting started.